Hey, food fam! Welcome to the ultimate superfood showdown. Today, we're unleashing the nutritional superheroes that'll make your plate and your body feel unstoppable. From brain-boosting blueberries to gut-loving kefir, this video is packed with power foods you need to know. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be ready to eat like a legend. Let's dive in! First up, the fruity Avengers. Picture this: blueberries, tiny antioxidant warriors battling free radicals like it's an action flick. Then there's pomegranate, juicy red gems bursting with heart-saving polyphenols. And avocado, smooth, creamy, and loaded with fats so good your skin's basically glowing already. Which fruit's your sidekick? Tell us in the comments. Next, the Veggie Vigilantes. Imagine kale, a leafy green king flexing vitamins A, C, and K like a multivitamin cape. Broccoli rolls in with sulforaphane, a compound that fights inflammation like a boss. And sweet potatoes? Orange powerhouses of beta-carotene that make your immune system sing. Time to go nuts, literally. Almonds drop in with vitamin E and healthy fats, crunchy perfection. Chia seeds? Tiny but mighty, packing omega-3s and fiber, watch them turn water into pudding. And walnuts? They're brain food that literally look like little brains. Wild, right? Legumes and grains, don't sleep on these underdogs. Lentils bring protein and iron to the party, affordable and epic. Quinoa, it's the grain with all 9 amino acids. Spices and herbs, the secret weapons. Turmeric glows with curcumin, anti-inflammatory magic in every pinch. Ginger, it's a spicy hug for your stomach. From the sea and the gut squad, salmon swims in with omega-3 fatty acids, heart and brain goals unlocked. Kefir? Think yogurt's cooler cousin, probiotics that throw a party in your belly. Your gut's cheering already. And there's more. Dark chocolate for dessert vibes, spirulina for green goddess energy. These superfoods are science-backed champs. Here's your mission. Pick one from this video, try it this week, and report back in the comments. Deal? Oh, and if you're loving this, smash that subscribe button. More food adventures are coming your way.